Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to set your birthday on BandLab make music online application. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab. So what you need to do, you need to click here the profile icon, and here can see the option settings. Click settings, then here you'll see the option like profile, and it's a birthday. So if you don't set your birthday yet, then you can add your birthday this way. So you can see day, month and year. So simply click the day. So I'm just going to randomly, I'm just going to choose this one, or month or year. Maybe you can select your birthday. So you have to give your authentic birthday, and after that, like, you can see update. Once you click update, then your profile will be updated and your birthday will be added. So this way you can add your birthday on BandLab Make Music Online app. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.